Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video, we have discussed about fputters. That is how to put the sequence of characters from the program to the file. Well, in today's video, we will discuss about fgets. That is how to get the sequence of characters from the file to the program and how to put that onto the console. And we will also see the complete program with execution. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end. Do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. fgets. So what is this fgets? Get a sequence of characters from the file. From the file, we have to get a sequence of characters to the program and we need to print that to the output screen, that is console. So we have seen how to get character by character, how to get the data character by character. Now we are trying to get sequence of characters. See, this is what our file f8.txt, and all these are sequence of characters that what we have in the file, and it is placed in new line. Sequence of characters again in the new line. So you have 4 sequence of characters. So we will make use of for loop to get that sequence of characters using fgets. So here we go with the program, the complete program, to understand fgets. So as usual, you have the character array by name str and the maximum size is 100. So that we can get maximum of 100 characters. It can be less than that also. Then we have a control variable I for the for loop. Then the file pointer fp, we say fopen f8.text. Here I need to say I have to open in read mode. I have to read the data from the file f8.txt. fopen will open that f8.txt, that is existing file, in read mode. So I need to read the data from the file. So the address of that file will be held in this file pointer fp. If that file does not exist, means this pointer fp will hold null. So if it is holding null, then I should get a message unable to open the file. But now f8 is an existing file that what I am using. So it is not pointing to null. It is pointing to the address of that file f8. So if I just check this condition fp equal to null, condition will not be satisfied. This block will not be executed. I'll come to this line. I say printf data in the file. So here in the output screen, I'll be getting the message that is data in the file. So that is the first message that what I am going to get. Data in the file colon and then new line. Then the loop starts. I equal to 1 because I need to extract 4 sequence of characters. I say I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 4. That is 1 less than or equal to 4. Condition satisfied. Get inside and execute this block. I say fgets. Get the sequence of characters, maximum of 99, store it into the character array str. So str is the constant pointer, it is implicit pointer. The array name will give you the base address. So this str is like a constant pointer, it is an implicit pointer pointing to the base address. So I need to get the sequence of characters and start storing here from this base address from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So fp is pointing to f8. I have to get this sequence of characters. Hello world. So this sequence of characters I am going to extract and I am going to store it in str. So I will be getting HELLO. It goes on like that. As soon as I get that sequence of character and store it in str, what I am doing, I am using the normal putters function to put that sequence of characters that is in str to the console. So initially I will be getting this message, hello world. Then again loop back. I gets increased. So when I gets increased, I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 4, condition satisfied. Again get a sequence of character, maximum of 99, store it in str from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp. So now it will go to the next line and this content will be fetched. I'll be getting hi Ishwata. Then again loop back, I'm going to get logic flow. Again loop back, I'm going to get thank you. Right? And when the loop condition terminates, that is, when the loop condition is not satisfied, the loop terminates. I'll come out of the loop and the control will be to f close and the main function gets closed. And I'll be getting all these content from the file and I'm displaying that onto the console. So hope you have understood how we can get the sequence of, this is the argument list, array name, maximum size and the file pointer. Array name will give you the base address because it acts like implicit pointer. It will be pointing to the base address. From the base address, all these sequence will be dumped and I am going to put that onto the console. So let us see the execution of this program. So here we go with the complete program to understand fgets, that is how to get the sequence of character, that is string, from the file and how to put that onto the console. So as usual we have the file pointer fp and in the header file just observe we have included stdio.h so that we can get the definitions of the file pointer, file data type. Then we have standard library.h to get the definition of exit function. Okay, so we have the file pointer fp, then we have the character array str, then we are trying to open the file fa.txt, the same file that what we used to write the content of the file. So previously in the previous program, that is in the last session, we understood how to put the sequence of character, that is string, to the file. So we had opened this f8.txt and using fputs we wrote the data in the previous program. You can please check the playlist, that is fputs program. So through fputs we put the data to f8. So the same file I am opening, f8.txt, in read mode because I am reading the data from that file and I am printing that onto the console. So if this file pointer is not pointing to the address of f8, then it will be null. So if it is equal to null, then I should get a message unable to open the file, then exit of 1, I have to come out of the program. If not, it means to say it is not pointing to null, it is pointing to the address of f8.txt, then control will be to this point. So I'll be getting a message, data from the file, the loop starts, then I say get the sequence of character from the file pointed to by the file pointer fp and store that to str. Then put that string using puts, normal puts, to the console. So these two statements gets executed 4 times. Means I need to get 4 sequence of characters, that is string, from the file. Then finally close the file. So let me save this. So before I execute this program, you can go and check what we have in f8.txt. See, these are all the contents that what we wrote in the previous program. So these contents has to be put to the output screen now. So this is what my program, that is I need to get the fgets, get the string pointed to by the file pointer fp and store that to str, then put that str. So these two statements gets executed 4 times. Save this program, run the program. See, we got the output, data from file. So hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Logic Flow file handling series and thank you. So this is how we can get the sequence of characters from the file using fgets. So hope you have understood with fgets. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.